Alright, so here's how you can disable Windows security or Microsoft Antivirus. So what you're gonna do is to go over here to Windows security, and you need to disable the settings right here. So just disable all these settings. Yours might be turned on, so just disable them. And then what you're gonna do is to go into registry editor by typing regedit over here, or you can just go to run or type in regedit. And now what you're going to do is to go to this directory, hkey local machine, then software, then policies, then Microsoft, and then Windows Defender. Now what you're going to do is to create a file, which is a dword 32-bit value file. You just create that, and you need to change the name for that file. Uh, what was the name? Yeah, disable anti spyware. Just type this thing as the title for that file. This will be given in the description as well. So just type that, and then what you're gonna do is to go to that file. It's probably gonna look the same like this. Double click on that file which you have created, and you will need to change the value data from 0 to 1. Mine's already done, so I'm not really gonna do it again. It might cause some problems. And once you've done that, you can just simply restart your computer, and uh, Windows security will not be able to turn on itself even after restart. So yeah, that is gonna be pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed.